Okay, so this is flight gear, and currently I have a MATLAB script connected here to flight gear, and I've put in the Dutch roll mode oscillation parameters into MATLAB, into the script, and then it's going to be pushed here. So whenever I start the aircraft and put it on after takeoff on autopilot, it'll start doing the Dutch roll mode oscillations, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and start up our 777 real quick, and I'm using this because this is the only similar aircraft that Flightgear has available, but that's okay. And then, okay, so we auto start, and then we're gonna go ahead and turn up the throttle and turn off the parking brake real quick, and get moving. Any day now. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna take off here, and then after takeoff, I will change the view to the top down and the side view and the back view, and then you can see the roll oscillations from each of the different angles, and it should be pretty cool. So here we go. Yeah, the frames per second rate is not very good, but you can still tell for the most part what's happening. So. Up a little bit using elevator detection, and we're off. Oh, that's a little rough, but we're off the ground. Hey. Yeah, I didn't check the headwind for this simulation environment, so that's probably what happened there. It was a very shaky takeoff. But that's okay, because we're off the ground. Nobody died. Okay, so we're just going to climb for a little bit until I get to a good altitude. Ignore the warning, because it thinks that we're going to crash, and we're not. So it's okay. It's a little bit too high for its liking. There's not that many V's though, so I don't know why it's going. There we go. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and start the MATLAB script real quick here, which is going to come in. And then, yeah, we'll see the roll oscillations here in a little bit. It's going to take about 20 seconds to start. It'll work. Okay, there it goes. So you can see it does a little bit of oscillating right here. And that's our roll mode oscillation. There's a little bit of back and forth here in this aircraft, and then now it's going to restart real quick, take a little break, and it's going to continue the oscillations so I don't completely roll and crash the aircraft, because that would be really bad. But yeah, there's our oscillations, and then I'll change the view here real quick so we can see it in a different view. That's a bad view. Oh, don't want that view either. Oh, that's a cool view. There we go. I put in random around the fluxes, and so it's not exactly doing oscillations, but it is pretty close. Okay, and that's pretty much it.